Welcome to the live bench evaluation of the Renesas EU001 Automated Meter Reader AMR Retrofit Module. The EU001 platform enables automated monitoring of water, gas, and heat meters by retrofitting existing mechanical meters. Using a dynamic flow simulation setup, it detects rotation direction, RPM, and supports high-accuracy phase control, making it ideal for smart metering, leak detection, time-of-use billing, and industrial monitoring. This setup simulates meter rotation using a DC motor attached to a metal disc. The motor control unit governs the shaft's rotation direction, forward or reverse, while the sensor coils detect the disc movement. The setup allows real-time detection of full 360 degrees rotations and provides flow direction status, excitation phase adjustment, and precise RPM measurement, all visible on Live Bench. Click Plug in to connect to the real hardware and begin evaluation. This section comprises the input controls for the Live Bench evaluation. This section in right comprises the output controls of the Live Bench evaluation. You can control the simulated flow with the following actions. Turn flow on-off to simulate starting or stopping flow through the meter. Select flow direction to switch between forward or reverse shaft rotation. Set and reset phase difference between sensor pulse and reference pulse. Monitor the waveform of excitation and sensor signals in real time with the oscilloscope, helping fine-tune phase adjustments and sensitivity. See the complete AMR simulation setup in action with live video. Track all activities with the progress log, keeping a detailed record of system performance. You can also see the total number of rotations. Need help? Use the AI-powered Knowledge Assistant chatbot to get instant answers to any questions related to the lab setup or data sheets. Need more details? The hamburger menu gives you access to the complete user manual and additional resources. Curious about other Live Bench projects? Click the home icon to explore more exciting designs. Thank you and happy evaluation!